Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by making sure you can install software. Sign into the laptop with an account that has install permissions. Once done, quit Microsoft Teams fully. Right-click the tray icon and choose Quit or Force Quit on Mac OS. Next, open Teams and check the current build under your profile. About version so you know if an update is needed. While you're here, make sure other apps aren't blocking network traffic and that you have a stable Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection. Now trigger the update through Teams itself by opening your profile menu and selecting Check for Updates. Teams downloads and installs in the background. If your environment uses managed deployment, fetch the latest MSI/PKG from your company portal or IT software feed and run it. This ensures a consistent build. During installation, allow any permission prompts. If asked, enter admin credentials. Make sure the laptop stays awake. Finish by restarting Teams and confirming the new version under Profile About Version to ensure the update applied. Then sign in and test core features. Open a chat, start a test call, and try screen sharing so you know everything works. If something looks off, first clear the Teams cache and restart. That resolves most state issues. If problems persist, uninstall completely and reinstall the latest installer. Make sure to back up any local files first, and then retry the update process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.